Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade, and we are continuing my reviews, my product reviews. I've got some Born Pretty Valentine's Day plates for you today. I've got 2 sample manis, I've got the swatches, and I will be doing a lot more reviews in the near future, as well as continuing my series on stamping nail design. So you will want to subscribe and click that little notification bell so that you keep getting updates about my videos and when they come out. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button and maybe share it with a friend. And definitely comment below and tell me which plate you like best or which mani you like best. I like to hear back from you guys. So without any further ado, let us go into the plates. So this one came out last year, but I didn't have it last year. So this one is Valentine's Day BP-L002. We've got a lot of layering images here. We've got a pizza with hearts for pepperoni. We've got a nice little rose, but if you'll notice, see, this is the kind of thing I don't really understand about when people make layering plates. Clear Jelly Stamper does it right because they have all these different elements. But if you were doing a reverse stamp or a decal out of this rose, you would want the leaves to be green and the bloom to be whatever, color you wanted the bloom to be. However, they have everything all in one for this layering design. So this is one personally I would never use. I would just do this as a reverse stamp and then stick it to the nail. So anyway, we've got a great heart shape here. And this is the shape I'm wearing on my left hand, I believe. I don't think it's from another plate. I think it's this one. We've got a ring with a little bobble there. And when I did the swatches, I did layer these for you so that you can see how these turn out. So we've got a heart with a little heart monitor line through there and a fun heart with a outline that you can do in a different color over there. And we've got some nice backgrounds here just for variety. You can use those on other manis too. They are nice generic backgrounds that would make a good stamping background for pretty much, lots of different manis. So now this one did come out this year. This is L006. And you'll notice that it is appropriate only for shorter nails. We've got a lot of different heart images. I don't know what the purpose of these are, although, the asymmetrical French mani might look really cool. But this one's pretty cool. I've got lots of hearts, and then like you, these tessellated hearts are pretty awesome. And I like this tile as well. So anyway, lots of different shorter images for you here. As far as 007 goes, we're back to the regular, we're back to the regular size tiles on the bottom. We've got a little, I think, bunny with a heart rose in cloud heart kind of things. That's a very interesting image. We've got a bunch of vine roses here with hearts as leaves. A nice rose. This would make a great radial gradient, guys. If you did like a darker color in the middle and then toward the outside did lighter and lighter colors, that would look really neat if you stamp over that with this one. And we've got a negative space stamp here for the rose. So if you have a sparkly red that you want to use that you can't stamp with, but you'd love to use as a bloom, then that would be a great place to put it. And again, some layering images here with this rose and a couple of hearts here. And I did the love. It's not showing up for you guys, but anyway, I did the love. And then I applied it backwards. That's cute. Oh, well. So I thought I did that right. I clearly didn't. But I've got hearts behind the O and the thumb. right here. Alrighty, so, and this thing I've been trying to read, I think it says roses or rose. It's a little mailman flying package thing. Don't know what that is. So that's interesting. This reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. And that would be fun if you did a bunch of different colors, like a rainbow or something for that. Okay, so let's go on to L008. This is one of the ones I like best for this year. I like these little kittens. I like that there is a conversation bubble there that you can stamp. If you have any wording from other plates, you could, combine this with other plates. This says kiss me. You could enlarge that and put it in there. I do have a video on enlarging and shrinking. Maybe I'll put that in the description field. All right. And then we've got a bunch of kisses and etc., etc., etc. Fun plate here. And a couple of generic backgrounds as the others had. All right. I do like this leaf heart though. That's pretty cool. Last but not least, we've got L010. And this just has lots of, okay, so this is where I got the image that's on my left hand. I thought maybe it wasn't from 001. All right, or 002, I guess it was. Whatever. These would be cute, but I mean, generally speaking, these are components of a mani, not a whole mani themselves. So I would, if I were doing these, I would want to combine them with other things. There's a comic book kind of scene. And okay, so for this mani on my left hand, the design element is that I just rotated the colors clockwise here. If you'll see the purple at the bottom, purple, and on the other side purple, and all the colors go that way. And then I varied which color I colored in the geometric heart. And then I stamped these lines to guide my painting with this plate. I've mentioned how key these XYZ plates are for just generic mani design. And again, this is one mani where they came in really helpful. And I used this line, I believe, to guide my little quartered look here. So this one is XYZ24. Anyway, so those are the plates, and this is my backwards ass mani. Sorry guys, I failed you here. Oh well, I should really think about how it's gonna look on the nail before I start just painting. Anyway, I normally do, as you guys well know. Anyway, here's the swatches for L006. I'm sorry I can't get any closer. I've got the stand for my camera is in the way of anything closer. So this is the one I told you guys that was for shorter nails. Here is L007. Pretty thin lines here, but I did manage to get those on the second try. And then this one you're going to want to pick up with the smaller stamper. And then I went ahead and showed you how it looked layered. And then we've got the LOVE over here, as well as some other images and full nail tiles. Here is L02. And you see I've got each look as it would stamp with the layered stamp. So there they all are, with the lips and the rose I did with a different color stem than the bloom. And then we've got two plates on the other page. Valentine's Day 010, and these all turned out okay. I do not know what this image is. I have been looking. I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. I failed you. All right. We've got a heart, time, and then man and woman. I wish they had, you know, other symbols there to be more inclusive, but whatever. I guess this is not the plate for that. All right, and then we've got 008 down here. Still pretty thin lines, but I tried again over here and I got them to stick. And then we've got full nail tiles as well as the individual images that I have told you about. This stamped a little bit better than this one, which is funny because this stamping polish is not a real stamping polish. It's Sinful Colors black on black. And then the last one, a little bit of that plate is right here. So I hope you enjoyed those swatches and that these plates are great. That's my final word on it. They might need a little TLC when it comes to the tinier lines, but generally speaking, they will work with these kind of clear jelly stampers, so you can do decals and everything on them. So I will see you guys tomorrow with my next review, and I hope that you guys have a great day. See you later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you later.